stressed. You know, as a mother of 8 children, a writer, wife, it's a high stress job. And one of my favorite things to do whenever like my nerves and everything is just going crazy, is just to come out here and just be quiet and listen. Listen to the birds, the wind, the leaves, even my children playing at a distance. The bees. It's so relaxing. And it just washes my stress away. I just let the wind take it away. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Hallelujah Garden. Today I am coming to you guys with another unveiling and unboxing and product review. So I know like ads on people's phones are kind of centered to around the things that they do, I guess. But if you all are gardeners like me, you've probably been getting a lot of ads for this little saw here, this little hand saw. And so I've been seeing them, and they've been having these saws like cutting down, nice sized branches and things like that. And I thought to myself that I can really use something like that around the yard. So today we are going to do a review and see if it lives up to the hype. Okay. I have a few pieces of wood at different sizes that we're going to cut, and we're just going to see if the videos were true. Okay. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Excited. So we will maybe pull the camera closer so that we can see what all we have in this box. We have the instructions, and this particular one comes with 2 batteries. Two of the batteries, and I'm probably no doubt gonna have to charge them before the first use, so we'll do that too. So the 2 batteries, and then here is the saw itself. And as you can see, it's hand size. Yeah, it's hand size. If this thing really works, it's gonna be perfect. And so it comes with, oh wow, it comes, so I got in my package, I got 2 extra chains. So I have a total of 5 chains. So that's pretty cool. And then it comes with a little saw oil, and then the charger itself. And so we are going to let our batteries charge, or our battery charge for a little while, and then we're going to give it a try. See. I forgot to say, it's always good to read all the instructions before you start the use. So I'll be back. gonna take a little read. Okay. Hey guys. So I let my battery charge for a little while and I read my instructions, and I still needed my husband's help because I was just pressing this button. I'm like, I thought this was like on. And listen, I'm a gardener. Don't talk about me. This is like literally my first power tool I've ever bought. You know, I'm all, you know, I work with hose and garden gloves, things like that. Anyway, so my husband showed me you have to hold this little button in as a, I guess as a safety mechanism, and then press that. Okay. So the first piece of wood I want to try, it says that it won't cut anything bigger than, it says not to cut anything bigger than 4 inches. So I have this old garden bed that I'm going to break down this year, and it's 2 inches across. So this is going to be my first piece. I'm going to try it and see if it works.
That was smooth.
No. So, wow. I'm impressed. That was very smooth. I feel powerful. I feel, let's cut something else. So, as you can see, this has attracted the attention of my children. So one of the things it says on the pack, keep it away from minors. So after I finish this, I'm going to have to lock this up in Daddy's safe case, if you know what I mean. Please, they're not happy about that, but okay. So my little assistant there brought me another piece. I don't think this is bigger than 4 inches. So we're gonna try this one out. Ready?
Nope.
Oh, watch your face.
But yeah, you gotta let me use it now and then, especially since I'm making
Oh, you supposed to clamp it?
I would clamp it.
Well, I have my hands. I was clamping it with my hands. You know what I'm
You
saying?
can do that, but I would have probably clamped it first.
So, YouTube, I was trying to make a point here. Now, let me tell you something. I, by no means, I know it's some of you, we are woman, hear me roar out there, who's upset about this video, but I don't care because I'm good at what I'm good at. And as you can see, my garden is beautiful. Well, when it's not the winter, but I just wanted to prove a point. Ray, could you please cut that wood for us?
Did y'all hear what I said about the clamps?
Yeah, we did. We heard what you said about the clamps.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's not really for that, but yeah. It works, though.
What do you think about it?
It's pretty powerful for a battery operated little mini chainsaw.
Yeah.
I wouldn't use it for that, but
So
the fact that you could is pretty impressive.
So in the video, they like was cutting down tree branches and stuff. And like, so let's try that. Let's try to cut down a tree branch and see how it goes.
Y'all have fun with that. Don't let her hurt herself.
Okay. Okay. And action. Okay. It's not gone. My son getting the fruit smell. Okay, so this tree here, I like this tree because it provides some much needed shade for my garden here. So like, as you can see in this bed here, I got some carrots coming up, some baby carrots coming up. But some of these lower limbs can go. And what better way to test out our handy dandy chainsaw than to go ahead and get rid of some of these lower limbs. Let's go. Oh, that's powerful. That's mighty powerful. Oh my goodness. That there is powerful there. You're supposed to wear like goggles and a helmet. But yeah, so stuff will fly in your eyes. Fly hit your damn shoulder. But as you can see, no, not better with what? Son, no, do the right thing, kid. I'm teaching you bad habits. Okay, here we go. I guess when I get better at this, it'll be a more smoother cut because I'm gonna have to come back with my snips. And oh, I love this. This is, yeah. So, in conclusion, this hand saw by Saker, Saker, was well worth the investment. It was well worth the buy. I'm gonna have a good time this summer. I don't know. I may even attempt to get another power tool. This could just be the beginning. I really gotta work on the closing.